I'm going to teach you how to integrate ChatGPT with IBM Watson Assistant for a seamless conversational experience. This integration will allow you to harness the best of both worlds, ChatGPT's ability to handle open-ended questions and IBM Watson's structured responses for FAQs. By the end of this guide, you'll have a beginner-friendly setup ready to go. First things first, you'll want to open ChatGPT, which can be done by navigating to chat.openai.com. Once there, log into your account and start a new chat session. This will be your workspace as we guide you through the integration process. Now, let's define your integration goal. In this example, we're aiming to connect ChatGPT with IBM Watson Assistant to utilize ChatGPT's natural conversation abilities while combining them with Watson's predefined chatbot flows. This setup will enable us to answer both structured FAQs and open-ended questions. If you're new to this, don't worry. We're going to walk through each step in a very beginner-friendly manner. Next, we'll need to get the setup instructions for IBM Watson. Begin by creating an IBM Cloud account, which will allow you to access Watson Assistant. Once your account is set up, proceed with setting up Watson Assistant and generating API credentials. These credentials are critical as they'll be used to connect Watson with ChatGPT, facilitating seamless communication between the two systems. With your credentials in hand, it's time to create a middleware connection. A simple Python script can be crafted to take user inputs, send them to ChatGPT for natural responses, and revert to IBM Watson Assistant for any predefined answers. It's essential to keep the code simple and straightforward to accommodate beginners who may not have extensive programming experience. After the setup is complete, you'll want to build some test conversations. These examples will illustrate how ChatGPT can manage open-ended questions, like, what's a good strategy for customer engagement, while IBM Watson takes charge of FAQ-type inquiries, such as, what are your business hours? These scenarios will help you understand the strengths and boundaries of each platform within this integrated system. Finally, it's time to deploy and refine your setup. Choose a server to run your integration. This could be Flask, Node.js, or IBM Cloud Functions, whichever you're most comfortable with. Then, test the integration with users on web or mobile apps to ensure a smooth experience. During this phase, you may find it necessary to adjust the balance between ChatGPT's freeform responses and Watson's structured logic to achieve your desired conversational flow. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to integrating ChatGPT with IBM Watson Assistant. With this powerful combination, your chatbot will be well equipped to handle a variety of customer interactions. Don't forget to continuously monitor and refine your setup based on user feedback for the best results. Thank you for watching, and happy integrating.